Hey everyone, I made this very quick number 2 photo prop for my son's second birthday shoot. My friend made it for her son. I really liked it, so I just made it for my son's birthday as well. So you will need a foam board, a chart. I just chose a blue color, scissor, X-Acto, ruler, pencil and glue gun and some stickers to decorate. So first I'm going to measure the length of the foam board and I'm going to divide it into 3 parts. Then I'm going to freehand the number 2 and I'm just trying to make it as big as possible so it actually shows up well in the pictures, and I'm going to use up all the space on one part of the foam board. And once I have the figure right, I'm just going to cut the outline with the X-Acto very carefully. Now I'm going to use this as stencil and I'm going to trace out this number on the other 2 parts of the foam board. I'm also going to trace out 2 pieces on the chart as well, and I'm going to cut them all. Once I have them all ready, I'm going to stick all the foam boards together, and I initially started with glue, but I later realized a glue gun works much quicker and also way better, so I would recommend you guys to go with a glue gun instead. Once all the foam board pieces are stuck, I'm going to stick the chart on either sides of the number. Then I'm going to cut out thin strips of the chart and I'm going to apply some glue and just run the thin strips along the borders to cover up the foam board. And once that's done, all you have to do is pull out the stickers and decorate however you want. I found these stickers at the Dollar Tree. My son is very much into vehicles, so I got these 3D pop-up stickers, and also to fill up any mess and spaces I'm just adding these little stars. So that's it. I hope you like this simple idea. You can just do it with any number. We just put this prop and we just put some toys around, his favorite toys, and left him to play, and we took some shots and it came out very well. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit on the thumbs up button and also to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye bye.